Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today for the Superintendent's Monthly Minute. We have so much to be proud of in our district, including our school environments. Innovative construction and renovation projects have helped to create safe, welcoming, and accessible learning spaces for all of our students. We are grateful to our community for helping to make these projects a reality. With support from Measure EE, a bond measure passed by the voters in 2014, and state matching funds, we have built new facilities, taken care of essential repairs and upgrades, and modernized numerous campuses. We have built new CTE spaces, renovated stadiums and playgrounds, completed security upgrades, brought our community its first concert hall, and so much more. It is incredible to see the transformation taking place across our district. With many of our school sites well over 50 years old, we know there is much left to do. You can learn more about all of our renovation projects on our website. Until next time, stay well and keep learning without limits.